Okay, so we're going to make some cobbler. And to start off with, you're going to take a stick of butter and put it in a deep dish pie plate or a brownie pan. You can do it in whatever. This is what I like to do it in, is a deep dish pie plate. And you're going to put the oven at 350. And while it's still at 350, you're going to put this in with just the stick of butter and let the butter melt and the pan get warm. And then you're going to start making the batter. Next, you're going to want to do a cup of flour, a cup of granulated sugar, a cup of milk, whatever kind of milk you want to use. I use 2%. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now, this recipe is adapted from a recipe that I saw on Instagram done by At Time of Death, and I'll put down the name of that below. She does lots of cooking tutorials and stuff, so if you wanted to check out her Instagram, I'm sure she'd really appreciate it. So you're going to mix all this together. So here is the butter all melted. You pull the pan back out of the oven, but you leave the oven at 350. And then you're going to put your batter and 2 cups of cut up fruit, whatever kind you like. I'm using strawberries. You can do peaches, you can do blueberries. I've done strawberry rhubarb before. I mean, I was talking to somebody the other day, in fact, who asked me to make this video, Maskaracakes. You also should check her out if you want to. She's here on YouTube and she's on Instagram. And we were saying, like, what about citrus? Like, you wouldn't do citrus. And I was like, maybe mandarin oranges and raspberries. And she was like, well, that actually sounds good. So, I mean, there's lots of different things you could do. You could even do, like, strawberry banana, maybe. I put nuts in it before. You can just do whatever you like. But 2 cups of fruit is usually about right. So that's after putting the batter in. You see the butter kind of floats to the top. And then you're going to want to put the cut up fruit right in the middle. Then you are going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. And then it should come out really nice and yummy. So here it is, all done out of the oven. And that's all there is to it. So thanks for watching. And please subscribe, share, and all that cool stuff. It really helps me out. And remember to be kind.